everyone, Patrick here again from Eramosa Engineering. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add an alarms and events object into your report design. So I'm on the report design page right now, and I've already created this report called Alarms Object Demo. And so I'll just go to the toolbar and click on this icon, the alarms and events icon. It looks like a little fire bell. And then when you click on that, it automatically adds this alarms and events object into your report design. So you'll always see this generic image of this fire bell. So to configure the settings on that, you just click on the image. And the only thing you really need to change, or that I'm going to change for this demo, is the provider. So I'm going to click on this alarms and events provider, and I'll hit update. And I'm going to add a column. So when you add a column, then you can choose any of these parameters related to your alarms or events. So there's a huge selection here, as you can see. I'm just going to choose 3 of the most important ones. So for the first column, I'm going to put in the start time. And you can either scroll down and look for it, or you can actually search, just type in the beginning of the column name, and then hit update. You click back on the image. Then I'm going to add another column, and for this one I'm going to choose the severity. I'm going to add another column, and for this one I'll choose the source tag, and hit update. Click save. That'll save the report design. And now we'll go back to the report viewer, and it will automatically come to the welcome screen. So we want to choose that report that we just created, and I'm going to change the date range for September 3rd, 2009, just for one day. We'll click send. And we'll see what kind of alarms and events are available for that day. So it looks like there might be quite a few. It's taking a little while to generate. Okay, so the report's finished generating. It took a little while because there's a lot of data there. So you can see here we're at 95 pages, so that's a huge report. So we're going to want to narrow that down. And you can see, you look at the report in the viewer here, you've got the left-hand column is showing you the start time for the alarm, the middle column is showing you the severity of the alarm, and then in the right column is showing you the source tag where it's available. So there's a whole lot. And you can see in this case a lot of the severity ratings, they're a certain value. So there's a lot of 150s I'm seeing, a lot of 850s. There's a 500. So I want to narrow this down. We'll go back into report design. I'm going to click back on that image. And now this is where you can add a filter expression. So I'm going to filter based on the severity. And what I'll do is I'll type in value equals 850. So that's going to eliminate all of the entries in the alarms and events table that have values that aren't 850. So we click update, save, we go back to reports, and it will automatically start generating the report. This time the report should be quite a bit smaller. And there you go, it's down to 10 pages. You can see on each page, each entry is we're only getting the alarms and events that have a severity rating of a 50. So that's a quick introduction to how you can use alarms and events in your reports and how you can create filter expressions on those. So I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.